They've built themselves a little fort. Hey. Is that a good picnic? Yeah? He's not feeling well though, so. Hey. That's alright. Bakey likes garlic bread the most. Hey Bella. What you doing? Are you trying to get on your knees? Huh? Much too early for that, sweetheart. You're only 3 weeks. Yeah, she's totally trying to get on her knees, look. What's happening behind the scenes? Hey, away from your sister, please. Okay, away from your sister. Hmm? Oh. Are you? Blakey.
What's that
I see a house.
You do see a house. What's this one down here? Oh, in the mirror, mate.
Look in the mirror. Look at the mirror, Blake.
Mirror, buddy. That one there.
What's that one in the mirror?
Do it. I like it.
What is it?
What is it?
A scissors.
That's scissors. Next to it. What's next to the scissors? You keep looking at the scissors. In the mirror, mate. In the mirror.
Look in the mirror.
Got the scissors there. What's next to the scissors? High five. Brilliant. Keep looking. Oh, cool. Where's the button? Look, you can make it go faster or slower, see? Good boy.
Is that cool, Celine?
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a blue one. Turn it on.
That's awesome.
Good boy. See, track 1. It's a blue one. The dock side lock. Where's that one? Where's Doc gone? Have a look over here.
What's up there? Whoa! Look, Blake. Look down there.
Whoa, look at that.
Woo!
Look at Thomas go. Mama, up there.
Yeah, I see. I'm going across the bridge. Hey? How cool is that, Blake?
I'm not going to.
No, you can't go in there. Thomas going around the room. Yeah? What other trains can you see? Look, I see a red train coming on that centre one. Whoa, look at that. Hey. What do you see, Danny?
What's that?
You see lots of trains.
Look over the lead, mate.
Wow, look at that one. How many carriages can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 carriages. Wow, that's a really long one.
What you doing, Nels?
Look, Dada, it makes the windmill go.
Yeah.
Oh, they even got a little cinema game there. See that?
Playing cars, look.
Yeah, it's playing cars. Oh,
That's
pretty
awesome.
cool. Cars too.
Can you imagine the amount of detail they put into this?
Mommy,
Yeah.
Mommy, come with the clothes.
Okay, Celine. We'll get there in a minute. You can't go through there, sweetheart. Woo. So much detail. Oil rig.
Going on the train.
Whoa, not too high, Blake.
You up, Papa? Look at you go.
Yeah, he's getting quite high on that.
I can see.
Yeah. I think you need to stand in the middle. My little monkey. Be careful up there, miss. You alright? Oh, poor Blake. Wow, good boy. No, there's only the 2 on there, sweetheart.
Thanks for watching.
Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye.